Hi everyone, it's Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a cosplay tutorial look for a Barbie look in honor of the brand new bald Barbie that was just released. Now this is really groundbreaking for many of us that grew up with Barbie dolls, with the long beautiful hair, which is amazing, but to have a bald Barbie that we can kind of relate to as baldies ourselves is something really exciting to me at least. So it just makes me happy to think that kids can grow up with a Barbie that looks just like them with the bald head. Now of course, if you're creating a Barbie cosplay look, you can go ahead and stop here with the makeup and maybe a Barbie color scheme with bright pinks and Barbie logos and match your bald Barbie. But you can also rock the traditional Barbie look with some really nice wigs as well, so I will feature those at the end of this video. But for now, to see how I did this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm already starting with the makeup base of foundation, concealer, and a little bit of brow product. So I'm mostly going to be focusing on the eye makeup for this video. First, I'm going to take a really light, almost white cream color and cover the entire lid. Next, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and a very pink pigment and just kind of put that into the crease. Next, I'm going to take more of a rigid brush and take this dark brown shadow and start laying in a crease. Now for more precision, I'm also going to go in with the same color with more of an angled brush. I'm also going to bring a little bit of that below my bottom lash line. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just kind of blend out that brown crease. I'm also going to go in with a little bit more of that bright pink pigment and just kind of blend that on top of the brown. Now I'm going back in with that angled brush again and just redefining that crease one more time because Barbie of course has very painted on makeup and painted on features. So this will kind of give the effect of a painted on eyelid crease. And I'm also connecting it to the corner of my eye to make the effect of a bigger eye. And with the same angled brush and the same brown pigment, I'm going to go ahead and draw very lightly in some bottom lower eyelashes. And just to define those eyelashes a little bit more, I'm also going to go in with a very sharp eyeliner pencil. And because Barbie's eyebrows are also obviously painted on, I'm also going to go in and draw a couple of more individual brow hairs to give the effect of painted on eyelashes. Barbie also has a sort of black cat eye as well, so I'm going to go in and use a black liquid eyeliner to draw in that cat eye. Now to complete the eyeliner look, I'm also going to go in with this same black liquid eyeliner, draw in some top eyelashes. Now you can either just leave the eyelashes as is, because of course a regular Barbie doll isn't going to have real eyelashes coming out typically, but I am going to put on a pair of fake lashes on top of this as well. For the lip, I'm going to just do a very bright pink lip. Barbie also has very defined lips, so you can use a lip liner to just kind of draw the outline a little bit more precisely. Going to add a little bit of nose contour to give that really small Barbie nose look. And here is the completed makeup look. Now of course you can stop here and match your bald Barbie, But if you want to go for more of a traditional Barbie look, I do also have some great wigs that you can use for the traditional blonde Barbie as well. One great option is this wig, which is Nolan, and this color is peach gold. This color is a really nice option for the golden hair Barbie look. The fun thing about doing a Barbie cosplay is that there have been so many different versions of Barbie over the years, so you can kind of just do whatever your preference is. Another great option for a Barbie look is Lavish Waves from the Muse collection in the color Creamy Toffee. And this wig is heat friendly, so if you decided you wanted to change the hairstyle a bit to match a specific Barbie look, then you have the flexibility to do that with this wig. But to complete my Barbie look, I'm going to go with the wig Wavy XL from the René of Paris collection in the color 613. This is a very Barbie platinum color that I think is so perfect for a traditional Barbie cosplay. Wavy XL also comes with this beautiful tight curl pattern, but Barbie also often rocks a hairstyle that is a little bit more of a brushed out curl. So if you want to create more of a brushed out look, you can take your detangling comb, very gently kind of detangle the curls before you brush through it, and then once they are completely detangled, you can go in with a brush and kind of brush those curls out a bit more. And just like that, you can create a very simple brushed out curl look using this wig. So even though the wig might come with one type of curl pattern, the different tools that you have, even without using heating tools, can give you a different curl pattern in your wig. And of course, if you decide you want to go back to that tight curl pattern that Wavy XL comes with, all you have to do is give it a good wash using René of Paris shampoo and conditioner, and it will naturally dry back in its original style. So that completes this Barbie cosplay tutorial look. Comment below if you're going to use any of these tips and tutorials, which of the 3 wigs that I showed you feel is best for a traditional cosplay look, and of course we always love the bald Barbie cosplay look as well. That's going to be one of my new favorites going forward as a cosplayer myself. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our channels on YouTube and Instagram, and thank you all so much for watching this video. I will see you next time.